Hello everyone, welcome to Simsot Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Today, I will tell you everything from science, treatment, side effects, contraindications, cost analysis, and much more about Meso Glow Therapy. So subscribe my channel and watch complete video to get best advice. Section 1. What is Meso Glow? Meso Glow is a non-surgical, minimally invasive aesthetic treatment that combines the principles of mesotherapy with advanced biorevitalization. While traditional mesotherapy focuses on fat dissolution or hair restoration, Meso Glow is specifically formulated for facial skin rejuvenation. It involves a series of micro-injections administered into the mid-dermis papillary and reticular dermis using a fine needle or a specialized injector gun. The solution is a cocktail of high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, HA sustained hydration, and scaffolding. Amino acids, the building blocks for collagen and elastin, antioxidants such as glutathione and vitamin C to combat oxidative stress. Vitamins, primarily B-complex biotin, pantothenic acid, cobalamin to support cellular metabolism, and peptides to signal fibroblast activity. Unlike fillers, which add volume, or neurotoxins, which paralyze muscles, Meso Glow works by revitalizing the skin's own architecture. The result is not a structural change, but a textural and luminous one, hence the term. Glow. Section 2. The science, why it works for flawless skin. Number 1. The role of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the cornerstone of Meso Glow. The focus is on non-cross-linked or lightly cross-linked HA. 1 gram of HA can hold up to 6 liters of water. When injected into the dermis, it acts as a humectant, drawing moisture from the bloodstream into the skin tissue. Stretching of the extracellular matrix by HA droplets triggers mechanotransduction, a process where mechanical stress converts into biochemical signals, prompting fibroblasts to produce type 1 collagen. Number 2. Antioxidant defense, glutathione and vitamin C. Pollution and blue light, high-energy visible light are primary aging factors. Glutathione, a tripeptide that acts as the body's master antioxidant. It inhibits tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for melanin production, making it crucial for treating hyperpigmentation and achieving an even skin tone. While vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, stabilized in modern formulations, it neutralizes free radicals and is a necessary cofactor for collagen hydroxylation, a step essential for stabilizing the collagen triple helix structure. Number 3. The amino acid and peptide complex. Flawless skin requires a balanced extracellular matrix. Meso Glow formulations include proline and glycine, the primary amino acids required for collagen synthesis, copper peptides. GHKCU glycosyl histolyl lysine is a naturally occurring peptide that has been shown in studies to upregulate collagen synthesis by up to 70% in aged skin and possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Nucleotides. Some advanced formulas include DNA fragments to assist in cellular repair and replication. Section 3. How it differs from similar treatments. The market is saturated with skin boosters. Meso Glow distinguishes itself through customization. Number 1. Meso Glow versus standard microneedling. Microneedling creates microinjuries to induce collagen via wound healing. Meso Glow delivers the nutrients directly, without relying solely on the injury response. It is often less traumatic, with minimal social downtime. Number 2. Meso Glow versus PRP. Platelet-rich plasma. PRP uses the patient's own growth factors, while Meso Glow uses a standardized, lab-verified cocktail, ensuring predictable potency regardless of the patient's age or nutritional status. Meso Glow versus basic hydrating facials. Topical facials hydrate the stratum corneum dead skin layer. Meso Glow hydrates the living dermis, yielding results that last 3 to 6 times longer. Section 4. Pre- and post-treatment optimization. To achieve flawless results, the patient's role is as critical as the practitioner's. Pre-treatment 1 week prior. Discontinue retinoids tretinoin, adapalene 3 to 5 days prior to reduce skin sensitivity and risk of peeling. Avoid blood thinners, aspirin, ibuprofen, vitamin E, fish oil, alcohol 48 to 72 hours prior to minimize bruising. Strict avoidance of tanning beds and prolonged sun exposure to prevent reactive hyperpigmentation. Post-treatment, first 72 hours. Avoid occlusive makeup for 12 to 24 hours to prevent folliculitis. No saunas, steam rooms, hot yoga, or intense cardio for 48 hours to reduce vascular reactivity and swelling. Increase water intake to maximize the osmotic pull of the hyaluronic acid. Use only gentle, sterile, non-active skincare hypochlorous acid spray, pure HA serum, and a simple ceramide moisturizer. Avoid acids, AHA, BHA, retinols, and vitamin C for 5 to 7 days. Section 5. The treatment protocol step by step. Number 1. Consultation and skin analysis. A thorough consultation using 3D skin imaging, for example, Viscia or Observe, is standard. The practitioner evaluates hydration levels, transepidermal water loss, pigmentation depth, epidermal versus dermal, elasticity, static rhytids, and vascularity to avoid bruising. Number 2. Preparation and topical anesthesia. The skin is disinfected with chlorhexidine or alcohol to eliminate Cutibacterium acnes and prevent injection-related breakouts. Then, a topical anesthetic is applied under occlusion for 20 to 30 minutes. Modern protocols use vibrating anesthetic devices to minimize needle sensation. Number 3. Injection techniques. 3 primary injection techniques are employed, each selected based on the desired clinical outcome and anatomical area. In nappage, superficial technique, the standard approach for classic Meso Glow, utilizing a fine needle for rapid, shallow injections 0.5 mm to 1.0 mm. This creates small papules spaced 0.5 cm to 1 cm apart, focusing on hydration and glow. Bolus deep technique. For deeper concerns like static wrinkles, small deposits are placed directly into the dermis, 1.5 mm to 3.0 mm for structural support. In cannula technique, employs a blunt-tipped cannula through a single entry point to release product in a fan-like pattern, significantly reducing bruising in sensitive vascular-rich zones like the periorbital area. Number 5. Post-treatment immediate care. Immediately after injection, transient papules, small bumps appear where the product sits, typically resolving within 24 to 72 hours. A sterile, calming sheet mask, often with Centella asiatica or synthetic ectoin, is applied to reduce redness. Section 6. Safety profile, contraindications, and risks. Meso Glow is generally safe with predictable, self-limiting side effects. Erythema and edema are expected, lasting 2 to 48 hours and 1 to 5 days respectively. Petechia are common, especially with prior NSAID or fish oil use, resolving in 5 to 10 days. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation is rare, but risks higher in Fitzpatrick types for 2VA. Prevention requires superficial needle depth is less than or equal to 0.8 mm and strict sun avoidance. Absolute contraindications include active infection in the treatment area, autoimmune diseases, bleeding disorders, or anticoagulant use without physician clearance. Known allergy to any component, especially hyaluronidase or lidocaine, and a history of keloid scarring, which warrants caution despite low overall risk. Section 7. Results, longevity, and maintenance. Week 1. Mild swelling and redness occur, with a temporary glass-like appearance due to edema. Weeks 2 to 3. Edema subsides as hyaluronic acid draws in moisture and fibroblasts initiate collagen production, yielding suppleness and a lit-from-within glow. Months 1, 2, 3. The peak period where collagen remodeling softens fine lines, minimizes pores, and evens skin tone. Section 8. Cost analysis. Pricing varies by geography and the complexity of the cocktail. Standard Meso Glow Basic HA Plus vitamins cost $300 to $600 per session. Advanced Cocktail PNP DRN plus glutathione plus amino acids costs $600 to $1,200 per session. Given that 3 sessions are standard, patients should budget between $900 and $3,600 for a full treatment series. Insurance does not cover cosmetic mesotherapy. Meso Glow represents the convergence of dermatology and nutraceutical science. It is not a quick fix for deep sagging or significant volume loss, but it is arguably the most effective solution available for achieving the flawless skin. I hope you liked this video and will found it helpful. So, thumbs up and subscribe my channel for latest updates.